Good evening, guys. Welcome to Brugge Sir's Maths Academy. So we are into part 2 for chapter surface area and volume of solids from LMR. In the previous part, we did sum number 1 to 13. So in this part, I am going to continue from 14 sum onwards. Hope so you have understood part 1 very well. Okay. Just make sure you're thorough with part 1 with all the formulae, all the different variety of sum before we proceed with sum number 14 onwards. Okay. So let us continue with 14 sum onwards. A certain quantity of wood cost rupees 67,500 per meter cube. Okay. So volume and cost. So for 1 meter cube it cost rupees 67,500. A solid cubical block of such wood is bought for rupees 4320. मतलब मैं एक वुड लेके आता हूँ जो कॉस्ट मुझे कर रहा है 4320. ओके. एक क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक ऑफ वुड मैं लेके आता हूँ विच इज कॉस्टिंग मी 4320. फाइन. तो फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ब्लॉक एंड फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ ईच. ओके. सो वॉल्यूम इज 4320 डिवाइडेड बाय 67500. जितना सिंप्लीफाई कर सको उतना करो, जितना हो सके उतना. ठीक है. जितना हो सके उतना डिवाइड करते जाओ. ठीक है बेटा. 27 से डिवाइड करो. सो दिस मच मीटर क्यूब ऑफ ब्लॉक. ओके बेटा. वी ऑल नो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक is 8/125. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक होता है a क्यूब. therefore a would be cube root of 8/125 which is 2/5 which is 0.4 meters which is 40 centimeter. Okay. Hope so you have understood this sum. Very easy sum to begin with. उन्होंने बोला था कि एक क्वालिटी वुड है जिसका कॉस्ट है फॉर 1 मीटर क्यूब इट कॉस्ट रुपीज 67,500. मैं 4320 का एक क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक, छोटा सा क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक ले रहा हूँ. ठीक है बेटा. सो मुझे जानना है फर्स्ट व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक एंड सेकेंड यूजिंग दैट वी टू फाइंड द एज ऑफ दैट क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक. तो मैंने दोनों फाइंड किए. ठीक है. होप सो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट बेटा अच्छे से. काइंडली पॉज वीडियो एंड एक्चुअली इरेज इट. A hall which is 10 meter long. आराम से. A hall which is 10 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4 meter. ठीक है. It has got one door of length 2 meters and breadth 1 meter. And I got 2 windows of length 1 meter and breadth 80 centimeter which is 0.8 meters. Okay. First, find the area of 4 walls excluding the doors and windows. So area of 4 walls पहले ढूंढते हैं. जो हॉल है उसके एरिया ऑफ 4 walls ढूंढते हैं which is 2HL plus B बेटा. So 2 into 4 10 plus 5 8 into 15 which is 120 meters square. Now let me find out area of door plus 2 windows. Area of one door is 2 into 1 and 2 windows मतलब 2 into 1 into 0.8 2 plus 1.6 3.6 meters square. Therefore area of 4 walls excluding doors and windows will be 120 minus 3.6, 116.4 meters square. Therefore, area cost of distempering the walls कितना है, एरिया करना है डिस्टेम्पर 116.4, क्योंकि डोर्स और विंडोज को तो हम लोग थोड़ी करते हैं, एंड 50 रुपीज पर मीटर स्क्वायर है, तो इंटू 50 रुपीज, 5820 बराबर. नाउ कॉस्ट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग द फ्लोर, सो एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर इज लेंथ इन द ब्रेथ विच इज 10 into 5, 50 meters square. Therefore, cost of polishing the floor at the rate of 5 rupees per meter square is 50 into 5 rupees 250. Hope so you got it बेटा. आराम से करो, आराम से, कोई खाई नहीं है. एक बार गो थ्रू करो A to Z, इन एंड आउट. प्लीज गो थ्रू इट. धीरे धीरे क्वेश्चन रीड करो, सोल्यूशन देखो, वीडियो को देखो बेटा. दिस इज हाउ वी डू सम्स बेटा. तुम लोग को खुद को प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. अनलेस यू डू प्रैक्टिस, देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ this video also. If you are just watching this video, it's not going to help you. Make sure you are solving it बेटा. चलो बेटा, प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस सम. वी शैल मूव टू नेक्स्ट. बेटा 16 and 17 very similar sum. Calculate the quantity of water in a swimming pool which is 50 meter long, okay, 12 meter wide. ये 50 meter long है swimming pool. The shallow and deep end are 1.5 meter and 3 meters. And how much width it is बेटा? 12 meter width. ठीक है बेटा. ये कौन सा शेप दिख रहा है? ये कौन सा शेप दिख रहा है बेटा? ये कौन सा शेप दिख रहा है बेटा? एरिया ऑफ ट्रेपेजियम बेटा. ठीक है, तो मैंने आपको बोला था वॉल्यूम कभी भी ढूंढना है तो इट इज ऑलवेज एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इनटू लेंथ इनटू जो बोलना है बोलो. द क्रॉस सेक्शन लुक्स लाइक अ ट्रेपेजियम. ओके, सो इट इज half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them 50 into the length 12. नेक्स्ट सम इज ऑन द सेम लाइन. उन्होंने डायग्राम दिया है. ये 2 मीटर्स है, ये 3 मीटर्स है बेटा, ये 40 मीटर्स है, एंड ये कितना है 10 मीटर्स है. ओके, सेम. Volume of water will be area of cross section into length, half into sum of parallel side beta, into the distance between them, into the length. Thousand meter cube. Guys, are you okay? Guys, are you comfortable with the two sums, 16 and 17 sum beta? This is sum number 17. Hope you are comfortable with the same line. So I did it. Now guys, I am going to do sum number 18 and sum number 25 together. So just pay attention very thoroughly. Really nice sum. Okay? Just pay attention for sum number 18 and 25. 18, 25. Okay, let's start. The water is discharged from a pipe of area of cross section 2.7 centimeters square at a rate of 36 kilometer per hour. मीटर पर सेकेंड. बेटा whenever such type of sum comes, speed वाले sums आए, convert into meter per second. Now see the procedure, standard procedure. Let time be 1 second. तो लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? अगर ये टाइम 1 सेकेंड हो गया तो लेंथ या डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया? 10 meters. Therefore volume of water flowing through pipe in 1 second would be area of cross section into length. Okay, since area of cross section was given into centimeter square, I thought I'll convert the length also into centimeter. So that makes 2700 centimeter cube. So this much water is flowing through the pipe in 1 second. Therefore volume of water flowing through pipe in 1 minute would be but we want answer in liters beta. Therefore volume of water flowing through pipe in 1 minute in liters would be $162 meters. Okay guys, Hope so you understood how to do this kind of sum beta. Very nice. And ये standard procedure follow करोगे, it will become very easy for you also to do. So on the same line, let me do 25th sum, so it becomes easy for you also to correlate. Water is discharged from a pipe of area of cross section. Area of cross section कितना है? 3.2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. स्पीड कितना है? 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कितना है? 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो मैंने आपको क्या बोला? इन सच टाइप ऑफ सम, let time be 1 second, therefore length would be 5 meters, which is 500 centimeter. Therefore volume of water flowing, volume of water discharge will be area of cross section into length in 1 second. 3.2 into 500, 1600 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of water discharged in 1 minute would be 1600 into 60 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of water discharged in 1 minute in liters would be, to convert centimeter cube into liters, divide by 1000. To convert centimeter cube to liters, divide by 1000. ठीक है बेटा, सेम सम था. Okay, so please make sure you understand this type of sum, 24th and 25th. That's why I did it together, so it becomes easier for you also. Hope so you're getting it beta. Two beautiful sums we did. Take a pause, go through this sum, go through both the sums and try to do on your own. Okay beta. A closed tea packet has a dimension. A closed tea packet has an inner dimension of length 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Volume of tea it can hold will be L into B into H, 12 into 8 into 6. And area of tin foil needle will be TSA, which is 2 LB BH HL. मैं पूरा का पूरा बॉक्स को मैं सील करूंगा ना बेटा, ठीक है. तो कितना टिन फॉइल नीडेड? पूरा सरफेस एरिया, द एंटायर सरफेस एरिया. तो L इंटू बी 12 8 96, B इंटू H 48, H इंटू L 72. चलो, hope so you're comfortable. 20. A cube of metal 5 centimeter is melted and casted into cuboid. Okay, मैंने cube of which of side 5 centimeter is melted and converted into cuboid of base 2.5 centimeter. मतलब लेंथ दिया है 2.5 centimeter and breadth दिया है 0.5 centimeter. Find the height of the cuboid. Okay, and also find the surface area of cube and cuboid. ठीक है. So in this case, since I am converting a cuboid into cube या cube into cuboid, the volume is same. दोनों का volume same ही रहेगा because it's melted and recasted. So L into B into H will be same as volume of cube, which is A cube. So 25 upon 10, 5 upon 10 into H would be 5 into 5 into 5. So H would be 5 into 5 into 5 into 10 into 10 upon 25 into 5. So H would be 100 centimeter. Okay. Now TSA of cube. उन्होंने दोनों पूछा है TSA of cube and cuboid. 6a square बेटा. खाली surface area, whenever they use the word, it indirectly indicate total surface area. बेटा L इंटू बी मल्टीप्लाई करो 2.5 इंटू 0.5 1.25 B इंटू H मल्टीप्लाई करो 0.5 इंटू 100 50 LB BH and HL 100 into 2.5 250 so 2 into 301.25 which is 602.50. ठीक है, इजी था, फॉर्मूला बेस, जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस था बेटा. I am waiting for 2 minutes so that you can have a patience, अच्छे से नोट डाउन करो and then we can proceed. ठीक है, आराम से दोनों सम को रीड करो, पॉज करो and then go through this sum. $21. Oh, this is too good sum beta. The sum of length, breadth and height is 19 centimeter. And the length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. Find TSA. Okay, chalo, let's get started. First step. What is diagonal of a cuboid? L square plus B square plus H square. Therefore, I can say L square plus B square plus H square equals to 11 square. So L square plus B square plus H square is 121. Okay. Now L plus B plus H the whole square is, बेटा मालूम है ना, a plus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab bc cl. बराबर बेटा, a plus b plus c the whole square क्या था, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab bc ca. Now what is L plus b plus h? 19. What is L square plus b square plus h square? 121. And what does 2lb bh hl represents? What does 2lb bh hl represents? TSA of cuboid. Therefore TSA of cuboid is 240 centimeter square. The length, breadth and the height are in the ratio 5:4:2. So length is 5x, breadth is 4x and height is 2x. The total surface area given is 1216 centimeter square. 2 LB BH HL 1216. 5 rosa Okay, very easy sum. The three cubes whose edge x, 8 and 10 are melted and recast into single cube of edge 12 centimeter. Okay, so big cube is v1 plus v2 plus v3 बेटा. तीन छोटे छोटे क्यूब्स को मेल्ट करके मैंने एक बड़ा क्यूब बनाया. जो बड़ा क्यूब बना उसका एज कितना था? 12 था. जो क्यूब 1 था उसका एज क्या था? x था. दूसरे का 8 था और तीसरे का 10 था बेटा. Kindly go through both the sums. 21 was awesome. ठीक है, combination of expansions and solids. Too good. चलो pause करो, complete करो, and then I move to last two sums for the day. ठीक है, 25th we have already completed. So now we are left with 23 and 24. Last two sums for particular this video as well as for the chapter. ठीक है, LMR करने से at least your all concepts are clear. One day before exam this LMR is more than sufficient. A square plate of side x centimeter is 8 mm thick. Okay, since there is said square plate, my area of cross section will be area of square which is x square. ठीक है बेटा. thickness मतलब height 8 mm which is 8 by 10 centimeter. volume is 2880 centimeter cube. So volume we all know it is area of cross section into length into height. So 2880 is equals to x square into 8 by 10. Therefore x square becomes 2880 into 10 upon 8. 8 3s are 24, 360. So 3600. So x becomes square root of 3600. So x becomes 60. ठीक है. And the last sum, very interesting sum before we end. Please read the question very carefully. A square which is made on the diagonal of the cube. What is diagonal of the cube बेटा? √3 है. Suppose ये cube, ये diagonal of the cube है, √3 है. इसके ऊपर मैं स्क्वायर बना रहा हूं. A square made on diagonal of the cube. Okay, तो each side become √3a, √3a, √3a. So the area of square which is made on the diagonal of the cube. We all know diagonal of the cube कितना होता है? √3a होता है. उसके ऊपर मैंने स्क्वायर बनाया. Area of square is 1875. Area of square is nothing but side square. So √3a का स्क्वायर is 1875. 3a square is 1875. So a square is 625. So a is 25 centimeter. Therefore, the edge of the cube is 25 centimeter and the TSA of the cube will be 6a square beta. So 6 into 25 square, 6 into 625, which makes 3750 centimeter square. Very important was लोगों को पता नहीं चलता, वो लोग क्यूब का फॉर्मूला लिख देते थे, ठीक है? Please understand, they said a square made on the diagonal of the cube. Diagonal of the cube √3a होता है बेटा, उसके ऊपर मैंने बनाया. So √3a का square. Hope so you have understood this session. In second part of this particular LMR session, some good sums were there. I insist both the videos को अच्छे से देखो. छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है बेटा, ठीक है, दो वीडियोस को. In the first part we did sum from 1 to 13 and in the second part we did from 14 to 25. Hope so you have understood this. I have already shared the PDF of the entire answer sheet as well as I am sending you the links for video. Please make sure you understand this chapter and go through this chapter thoroughly. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.